Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 14. And today's topic is ALN Studio AI Canvas walkthrough. So, after successfully registering on the platform, you'll see the workspace page. In this workspace, when you click on the cloud architecture, you would be redirected to the AI Builder page. Over here, you can see that you need to choose a provider. For today's demo, I'm selecting AWS. And once I select the provider, the next step is to name the diagram. So I'm naming it something like my AWS diagram part 14. Okay, and then I'll click on continue. Done. After that, you would be redirected to the AI Builder canvas. This is where you start building your architecture. At the top, you can see over here that there is an input box. So, for whatever topic you want to create an architecture, your input would go over here. And then after you are done adding your input, you need to click on this generate button. This generate button will only get active after you add something in this input box. And then you have next button as add node. If you want to add a custom node, you can add it through here. And then you have different icons. Yes, in AI Line Studio, we have 3000 plus official icons that you can use for your diagrams and architectures. Then we have animations button. Animations is in two places. One is this is also animation button, this is also animation button. Both have the same animations. Then if you want to zoom in or zoom out your diagram, you can use these buttons. If you want your diagram to fit to the screen, then you can use this button. If you want to reset your diagram, then you can press this button. This button shows you how many credits you have left in your account in your AI Line Studio subscription after each generation and gets updated. And then over here you can see we have different options of different animations: single dot animation, marching dot, moving dots, orbiting micro dots, breathing nodes. We will look into it more deeper. Over here you can customize your different animation types. Once you are done with this, once you are done editing your complete diagram, over here is your export option. You can export using SVG to get the SVG of the diagram. You can do PNG to get a photo PNG of the diagram. And over here, if you have enabled animation, if you want a moving animation export, then you can